Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, aka Dr. Inkwell. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. If you haven't seen it at your local game store, Distilled, a spirited strategy game, is now available. I was the spirits consultant, which meant I advised on some of the factual content and also wrote the fun flavor text throughout the game. I'll be teaching Distilled at the Patterson Games booth at Gen Con in August, so you can pop by and learn from the mixologist. I'm doing a video series about the spirits in Distilled, and this week I'm sitting up in my room to talk about Brandy. Distilled spirits are made from all sorts of sugars derived from carbohydrates. While the predominantly used sugar is grain, brandy is made from fruit. Though many people use the word brandy to refer to a grape-based distillate that's been barrel-aged, there are tons of different brandies out there. Just like whiskey has many official spirit types like bourbon and scotch, brandy has many official spirit types. Those include Cognac, Armagnac, Calvados, Pisco, Grappa. There's a ton of them. An unaged fruit brandy is typically called an eau de vie, which translates to water of life like many spirits do. For the purposes of the Distilled game, brandy refers to the aged grape distillate, and it has a special place in the game because of Dave Beck, the game's designer. Dave lives and works in Wisconsin, where there's a localized type of old-fashioned made with aged brandy, muddled cherry and orange slices, and topped off with various soda. It's called the Wisconsin Old Fashioned or the Brandy Old Fashioned. How did this become a local tradition? Pay no attention to those stories about the Chicago World's Fair. They're lovely but not true. Through a quirk of the supply chain issues after World War II, the whiskeys available to Wisconsinites was very bad. However, a distributor found a cache of Christian Brothers brandy in his warehouse, so the locals started using that. Brandy makers took notice, the tradition took hold, and now the Brandy Old Fashioned is native to the area. If you want to be down with this cocktail, check the recipe on screen. To make brandy in Distilled, you'll need 2 or more fruit sugars and a barrel to age them in. To even out gameplay, we don't require those sugars to be the same fruit, but in reality, distillers rarely mix different fruits together unless they're making vodka. You'll earn a whopping 13 points for making brandy, plus additional points for the number of flavor cards your spirit merits. Missing your favorite fruit brandy? While we do have Grappa, Pisco, Arac, and Buca in the game, if you want to play with other brandies like Cognac, Calvados, or Poire Williams, we're making space for you. We wanted to support all these other interesting spirits that are available throughout the world, and so you can go and create your own spirit label at the resources page on pattersongames.com using our custom recipe generator. Thanks for watching. Please follow and subscribe, and happy Pride Month. I hope you get a chance to get a little brandy this month. Cheers. Brandy.